Separate day，做好了这你的准备，只有谁让陪？Is it a separate day？
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I always intro. Welcome back. It's morning time. It's a new day. It's the day that you're getting vlog 3. Yeah, today vlog 3 I published. But by the time you see this, yeah, whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna get fresh, shampoo my hair, wash my hair. Well, the CBD soap I use for my face, I can use for my skin. I'm gonna use it wash my hair. And then I go see the camera like tripod, and I go see the excitement. Wait a long time. Leave me alone. I don't know if I'm the only one or you have persons who do that. They wake early. I'm just lie down in the bed till a certain time. So I eat that totally with passion. So I'm gonna do that now. Wash my face on that moisturizer. Chances are I'm gonna go out in the sun, I'm gonna exposed to the sun. So let's go use it at night. Okay. Look bad. Yes, I'm gonna do that and come back. Hi guys, welcome to the next clip. People, stress out bad. So yesterday I did my hair, right? I did my hair using the elastic method and all of that, and trust me, it was giving everything that it was supposed to give. Lo and behold, you know say my head upon fire, I go to school. Yeah, look good, everything proud of me. Right, true, and I do because I mean weed. But guess what? It tight your thread. I feel like I don't know, it erupts something in my brain, like my brain was tearing apart. The elastic tight your thread. Like me, I say, then I want to make my ear for do so tight, like say, what? Alright, I had asked my sister to kind of part it and last stitched up for me, like the front part, and then we'd have put some corner going back. So when she do it, it was slack. So I said, no man, do it tight because I need it for tight. So them yeah. You understand? Yeah. Pan it. Y'all get it. Go and watch the video. It will be up soon. Guys, I tell her to do it tight and the girl just do it tight. She do it tight. The girl just grab my skull, my scalp, my cells, my brain cells, and my ball out for murder. So I went to school with looking nice and everything and all of that, but the pain. But I pulled them out last night and pulled out my head tender, my scalp tender. I said, Lord Jesus, so I might do this. Look what I do to myself. So I'm never gonna put them in back till probably another week or so. But I realized I don't want to win a wig. I want to get my hair done and all that and look good. So I redid it, like just done. But this time I just do it like I'm normal, do all of my crochet them, like cane work, go back and all of that. And it's not giving. I ain't gonna lie, it's not giving. Like yesterday looked neat. My mother said it's still neat and all of that, but yesterday looked neat. I'm not for sure the tightness, but yesterday was a lot neat and all that. But this just have to do. In the end of the day and night, you just have to do. So what I did, alright, never mind. The video that come up. Yeah, so now I'm just out here without fear with my ear looking like this. This is the 14-inch goddess braids. And they are lovely. Lovely hair. So, what am I going to tell them? Really, I'm going to tell you, you know, pay for just go off track and chat enough. I'm hungry, I had some cereal. But oh yeah, I really love the elastic band method. I really love it. I'm gonna try it again, but because she never did this man, come and make sure it but not so tight, not super tight. But I'm gonna definitely try it again. Maybe by weekend I pull out this because It's just the thing in me. I like to keep my hair fresh. So yeah, probably toe back and make sure to do the elastic method. So I just do some look simple edges, but I know what them. I'm gonna pull up by the time I forgot so, but I can't redo them. And all that. But I just do it just in case somebody come visit and you know can meet a future. Not gonna happen, kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat right now and sleep. It's like 13 past 12. I have like a couple hours to go to school. Yeah, people, yeah. So I'm trying to give the vlog like every single week. Hopefully it can work because I have school. Gotta stay focused. Okay, later. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna eat. I don't have a clue now. I don't have a clue. I'm gonna eat. Later, people.
Alright, from my side I need olives, onion,
olive, which one atta? The green olive.
no, not.
Can add some on mine. Can add some on mine.
I don't have the second. What's the name of the second?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno, yeah. Oh,
Italian, I can get Italian.
you need some Italian on yours.
Yeah.
You need some onion mustard. And a little ketchup.
Barbecue and ketchup
A
for
little
mine.
ketchup for me.
Yeah, I want little barbecue.
You get it.
It's the next day, like 2 days after, 3 days after. Today is Thursday. So I have breakfast. I'm having a banana, callaloo with crackers and banana. So I'm gonna eat that and come back in the next clip. Y'all seen the previous clip where I was having Subway and all of that. That was yesterday. Today is Thursday, so it would have been like a day after. Go get the key. I'll come back. But I'm here trying to get some assignment done and all of that. My hair is still, yeah, it's still a one. I wish that I could have just do the elastic band method again, but I'm gonna do it again, just not today, not for now. Yeah, but yeah, I'm still loving the hair, nothing changed. I still love it. The curls are, yeah, I'm gonna rub it up on nothing, you know, but I still love it. I love that it's not long, even though I go for long hair, but can't take that on my back right now. It's light. Only me like catch it up, it give me a look heavy bobber head kind of feeling, but it's very light. and all of that. So yeah, apart from going to school, I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Probably not much, but rest assured that this vlog will come out next week because we don't have a vlog for this week already. So like I said before, I'm trying to do the weekly vlogs. Let's see how that works out. Yes, so we gone like 3 vlogs already since the start of the year, or 4, 3. Not bad, yeah. So I'm here and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. May I try if I do no repetition on the vlog. So if I see me get smoothie for probably 2 or 3 vlogs, when I go see it again. Yeah, that's just about it. Y'all saw what I had for breakfast. And next clip. Guys, I get hungry afterwards, so why not? Hey, I remember my breakfast this morning, right? So this is lunch-ish. So this is hot dog with cheese, as you can see. Never get the cheese melted. It's okay, but you probably wonder what I black something in. It is jerk seasoning, because that's what I feel for. And that nobody call for something I go eat it, don't you? And it tastes so yummy. It's so good. It tastes really, really good. Really good. Because jerk cheese is a mixture of everything. So is it me at the camera delay? Guys, I get donut. Yo, I love them donuts here from primary school, you know. It's been so long. Oh my god. Guys, so it's the next day and I feel for some oats and banana and everything blended, but this time it's going to be different. If you notice, this is the blender bottom, but not to the top. This is when I go blend it in my mason jar. So I have the banana, the oats, and I have rum cream. So let me show you how I go do this now. I see this trend pan, well, maybe it's not a trend, but I saw it on an Instagram reel like this, and then blend. You understand? So stay tuned for see that and see how it turn out. Guys, to see it here now. So what me I go to is, ooh, it work. It work. Well, you can't talk to me. I don't need a blender. I make the jar good. It work. So I go add some ice to it and stuff. The rum cream stand up on this, but y'all see how I made. Wait now. How I made this. Whenever I need the big blender, the glass part. What you call a blender? The part with blend. Whenever I need that, I just need my mason jar. Big up to the person who came out with this idea. Come, Papa. Count for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show 6. Show me 5. Come give me high 5. Give me high 5. Yeah, high 5. Say 5. 5. People in must say every time I come to them, song right here, so with the couch there and the curtain. But I love the curtain here. I like the color and everything. But you see, you saw that banana smoothie that I just made with rum cream. Don't try that at home. It was so good. Can I tell you? It was good. It was good. It's like one of them snack there when you feel peckish. It was good. I'm not gonna lie you. They supposedly edge control in my ear. Somebody want to pull me into and tell about the last thing I said about the hell to the no. My head hurts. I ain't gonna do that shit. Can I tell you how I record a whole tutorial doing my hair, people, with the goddess box braid? Goddess, why am I always say box braid? And while editing and exporting, I realized the video a lag. So I'm gonna go back and edit over, and it's still a lag. Like at one point, I froze. The video freeze at one point, and then it start back and I say, shit, I can't put out this to people. I really wanted you guys to see the tutorial. I don't know if me not even know if I got in the same mood for record again, because I did it from scratch. From when we just pull it out of the package, the whole excitement and all of that, showing you the gifts that I got. So to redo it, it's not gonna be the same excitement. It's just gonna seem fake. But I'm gonna be straightforward and say it's some reused goddess spray that I had, and so frustrating. Like, what? A whole video, you know, people? May I go back and edit and see if we can be done to that, because it's crazy. What? I don't know people. I don't know. Today is Friday and I don't have much to do really. Like, you know, some people say them not much to do, them have a lot to do. I have 2 projects to get done. We're due next month, February, yeah. I'm gonna probably say extra and all that, but I like last minute means I get like to get things on time. Yeah, I like to get things done early. So I need to work on them the ASAP, get them out of the way. I have this base to complete. But right now, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap because school not gonna stress me. Period. No school not stress me out. Stress who? No school not beat me, but I mean supposed to beat up school and this man cause school right tune and I just. But people, I'm gonna take a look at light on here. So come. Hello people. Hello. How you doing? Today is Saturday and I'm wondering if I should just give you the vlog tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday or today, as in tonight. But that would mean that you'll be getting like 2 vlogs in 1 week. We ain't about that life. We not. People, I'm tired, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I just wanna lie down. Oh, I got something in earth elements. Should I show you or should I show you now? No, we're gonna say one day I got earth elements in one fan there, and I go just buy a whole lot of things I need from face to body, and I'm gonna do a whole haul. So this is what I got. It's the oat butter unscented, and I was told, I was given strict, you know when people get strict instructions on what to do when you do, otherwise they get effed up. I was given strict instructions to get my scalp cleansed properly, and then I take a toops and wipe it on my scalp like a little bit, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I know it's butter and black people like butter, but you don't need a lot. It's just a toops. Yeah, so whatever.